Winter holiday has always been a magical time for me since my childhood. I remember how I would sit and draw lots of snowy scenes right after I was back from school. The snow was always a necessary component of this season so that I could be able to experience its magical nature fully. It snowed a lot more in the past. There was only one snowy December day in Tbilisi this year, although the decorations everywhere remind me constantly of the season that has always been an extraordinary time in my life, full of wishes and hopes for the better.
My name is Salome. How well do you know English? What?
Salome and I went to a street market where Georgian artists sell handmade crafts. We were looking for presents for our friends. I bought a face cream for my mom and got this gorgeous plant as a gift. The most important thing is that Gigi approved a new family member. I got a Christmas present from my friend Sopo, and what could it be if not art supplies? I got daily sketching markers, which are alcohol based and have double sides, chisel tip and brush tip. I got a daily paper pack which I can use with daily markers, and also got new sketching pens. Just like markers, colors are quite bright here too. I will review the sketching pens too next time. Next day I met my friends in a cafe, which is a piece of art on its own. The interior was enchanting. This red roasty was extremely tasty. We went to a New Year village and got only one cotton candy on our way. As we walked on the street, we realized nighttime visit would be so much better to see the whole beauty of decorations. But it was still beautiful enough. And this is us destroying the cotton candy. In Georgia, we have a traditional Christmas tree called 𝐒𝐻𝐻𝐿, the one I'm drawing right now. It is made from a hazelnut tree several days before New Year. Hazelnut tree is considered to be one of the most fruitful plants. According to the tradition, 𝐒𝐻𝐻𝐿 is supposed to be burned the day before January 19th, the day of Epiphany. This way, people can get rid of negativity from their lives. 𝐒𝐻𝐻𝐿 can be decorated differently, but rather than toys, in Georgia people used to decorate it with fruit like apples and pomegranates. They use Georgian sweets as well, and still do. One of the traditional sweets is called 𝐒𝐻𝐻𝐿. This candy might look like an upside down candlestick or a carrot, but it's actually a threaded chain of hazelnuts or walnuts covered in thickened layers of grape juice called pelamushi in Georgian. It's quite delicious as well as nutritious. It is a high-calorie product full of protein and vitamins, so it will keep you full for hours. 𝐒𝐻𝐻𝐿 can be stored for months without going bad. Thank you for being here, thank you for watching. I wish you a very happy and successful New Year. I hope we'll meet next year. Bye.